Hello, children. We are the 5 vowels.
Hello! Hello! Children, I am vowel A.
Hello, children. I am vowel E.
Hello, children. I am vowel I.
Hello, children. I am vowel O.
Hello, children. I am vowel U.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about vowels. There are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U. Very good. A says A like apple. E says E like elephant. I says I like ice cream. O says O like orange. U says U like umbrella. Children, clap your hands for the 5 vowels. Children, see you in the...
Hey, friends. What do I see? I see tiny words everywhere. Look. Wow, all are 2-letter words.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn some very small words. These are called 2-letter words. Look carefully at the page. We have am, at, an, is, he, to, buy. These words are small, but we use them every day while speaking, reading, and writing. Let's read them together once more. Am, at, an, is, he, to, buy. Very good, children. Keep practicing.
Hello, children. I am number 5. I come after 4 and before 6.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 5. This is number 5. Its spelling is F-I-V-E, 5. Yes, it comes after 4 and before 6. We use 5 when there are 5 things, like 5 fingers. 5 flowers, 5 balls. Let's all say together number 5. Yes, very good, children.
Hello.
This is the father, short and stout. This is the mother with her children bout. This is the brother, tall you see. This is the sister with a dolly on her knee. This is the baby still to grow. Here is the family all in a row.
Hello, children. I am number 6. I come after 5 and before 7.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 6. This is number 6. Its spelling is S-I-X, 6. It comes after 5 and before 7. We use 6 when there are 6 things, like 6 crayons, 6 balls, 6 pens. Let's all say together number 6. Yes, very good, children.
A week is 7 days, let's learn them together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, kid. Hey!
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about days of the week. A week has 7 days. Let's say them together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Very good. Monday is the first day of the week. Then comes Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is the last day, which is a nice rest day. We study, play, pray, laugh, and enjoy different days. All 7 days together make 1 week. Good job, children. See you in the next lesson.
The Man and the Cat. One day, a man was walking by a road when he heard a meowing from the bushes nearby. The cat was stuck and needed help getting out. When the man reached out, the cat got scared and scratched the man. The man screamed in pain but didn't back down. He tried again and again, even as the cat continued to scratch his hands. Another passerby saw this and said,
Just let it be. The cat will find a way to come out later.
The man didn't pay heed but tried until he helped the cat. Once he let the cat free. He told the other man, "The cat is an animal and its instincts make him scratch and attack. I am a human and my instincts make me compassionate and kind. Treat everyone around you like you want to be treated. Adhere to your own rules or ethics, not theirs."
Hello, friends. Do you know about the months of the year? There are 12 months in 1 year.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about the months of the year. There are 12 months in 1 year. Let's see, children. January, the first month when a new year begins. February, a short month with only 28 or 29 days. March, the weather starts changing. April, flowers bloom and it feels fresh. May, warm and sunny days come. June, summer holidays often start. July, hot days and fun vacations. August, a special month with many festivals. September, schools are in full swing again. October, cool breeze and celebrations. November, pleasant weather and festivals. December, the last month and time for celebrations. Very good, children. Now you know all the months of the year. See you in the next class.
Hello, children. What do I see here? Wow, tiny 2-letter words. Let's read them together and have fun learning.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn some very small words. These are called 2-letter words. Look carefully at the page. We have on, in, as, by, we, it, go. These words are small, but we use them every day while speaking, reading, and writing. Let's read them together once more. On, in, as, by, we, it, go. Very good, children. Keep practicing. See you in the next.
Hello. Plant, are you alive? Yes, I grow, I breathe, and I need water and sunlight. I'm a living thing. Ah! I can run, eat food, and breathe too. I am also a living thing. I don't grow, I don't breathe, and I can't move by myself. I am a non-living thing. A mountain picture and buildings, they are also non-living?
Yes, because they were never alive.
Now I understand. Living things grow and need food. Non-living things do not.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn a very interesting topic, living and non-living things. Look around you. Some things are alive and some things are not alive. So children, living things are those that grow, breathe, eat food and move. For example, people, animals and plants. Non-living things do not grow, do not breathe and cannot move by themselves. For example, chair, toys, books and mountains. So remember, children, living things are alive and non-living things were never alive. Very good, children. See you.
Hello, children! I am number 7. I come after 6 and before 8.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 7. This is number 7. Its spelling is S-E-V-E-N 7. It comes after 6 and before 8. We use 7 when there are 7 days in a week, 7 pens, 7 flowers. Let's all say together number 7. Yes, very good, children.
Hello, friends. I am red. I am bright and bold. You can see me in roses, apples, and stop signs. Hi, everyone. I am blue. I look calm and cool. You see me in the sky, ocean, and blueberries. Hello, children. I am yellow. I am cheerful and sunny. You can find me in the sun, bananas, and flowers. We are primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. We help make many other beautiful colors.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about primary colors. Look at this page carefully. These are 3 primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. Red is a bright color. We can see red in roses, apples, and many toys. Blue is a cool color. We see blue in the sky and water. Yellow is a happy color. We see yellow in the sun, bananas, and flowers. These three colors are very special because they help us make many other colors. Let's say together, red, blue, yellow are primary colors. Very good, children. See you in next session. Bye-bye.
Hello.